Hi, it's Catherine from McGrath Estate Agents. I'm here with Sam from STT Electrical to talk about tips and tricks in kids' bedrooms. So when we have an electrician in doing some work, is there anything else that we should be considering?
Yep, so we can retrofit a dimmer onto most LED lighting. Simply just hold the button down and dim the lights down for coming in, checking on them without waking them up.
Yep.
You can also add on a night light onto most power points, or we can change the power point so it has a night light on it.
Yep. And what other important safety aspects to a kid's bedroom should we consider?
Yep, so these little plugs, you can get them from most hardware stores. They just pop into the power point, stop the little fingers getting into where they shouldn't be.
Yep. Is there any important future renovations in electrical work that we should be considering when designing your kid's bedroom?
Yep, so connectivity, so either an Ethernet port or TV port on your wall for TVs or smart devices.
Yep. Excellent. Thanks, Sam, for your tips and tricks in regards to electrical safety and lighting in a kid's bedroom. If you have any further questions or need advice, please speak to the team at STT Electrical Services.